What got into your head para gawin yun? You've always told Zoe na unethical at unprofessional yung nagawa niya. Pero with what you've done, pareho lang kayo ni Zoe. Nakalimutan mo ba na CEO ka ng hospital na to? Nakakahiya!
Sorry na. Alam ko namang mali yung ginawa ko, Obeng, pero hindi ko kasi matiis na hindi ko siya magantihan pagkatapos ng ginawa niya kay Lynette.
Ginawa niya kay Lynette? Eh wala kang ang ebidensya.
Wala pa. I'm sorry, Lynette. But I just did what I thought was right at the moment. Kaso nga, mali pala. Pero hindi ko din naman pinagsisisihan yung ginawa ko. Dahil at least naisahan ko yung Morganang yun.
Ma'am Giselle, sa totoo lang, hindi ko po alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. Kasi po, nakagawa po kayo ng isang bagay na makakasira po sa reputasyon ninyo. Tsaka po sa posisyon nyo dito sa Apex bilang CEO nang dahil po sa akin.
Please don't feel like that, Lynette. You didn't ask that of me. Sarili kong desisyon yun.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Giselle. Pero sana po, hindi nyo lang ginawa. Kasi po, ayoko pong mapahama kayo ng dahil sa akin.
Ate, tama si Lynette. Sana hindi mo nalang ginawa. Eh paano kung mas malala yung nangyari kay Morgana? Eh di para ka na rin si Moira.
What's with this emergency board meeting? As far as I'm concerned, I did not schedule this board meeting. Can anyone tell me who scheduled this meeting?
Ako ang nagpatawag ng emergency meeting na ito. I believe there is a very important issue that we need to tackle. What happened yesterday sa Ginang Apex.
Oh, come on, Morgana. Don't tell me you still want to win against Lynette.
This meeting isn't about petty issues, Miss Tanyag.
As a member of the board, pagbibigyan kita, Miss Ko. Now please say your piece.
I just want to be seen and heard. I will not go into details dahil alam niyo namang lahat ang mga pangyayari. I'm sure you're all aware of what happened to me. In fact, I nearly died nang dahil sa ating pinakamamahal na CEO ng Apex, si Miss Giselle Tanyag. She almost killed me. For what? For vengeance? Ganyan ba ang pamamalakad ng isang CEO? I mean, what did I do to deserve this kind of treatment? I came here to celebrate with all of you. Nagpatayo pa nga ako ng Women's Center. Tapos ito yung isusukli niyo sa akin? I mean, what did I do to deserve this?